morning everyone. Myself Dr. N. Pratyusha, Assistant Professor in Mathematics, Department of Humanities and Sciences, MLR Institute of Technology, Hyderabad. Today we will discuss about the vector differentiation part 4 under the numerical methods and integral transform topic. Okay, today's session we will discuss about the curl, irrotational and scalar potential. So first we will discuss about the basic definitions of curl, irrotational and scalar potential. Here curl is nothing but the cross product. So in the previous session we will discuss about divergent, right? So divergent is a dot product and curl is a cross product. The definition of curl is if f bar of x comma y comma z is a directional differential vector point function, define a point x comma y comma z in a some region of space, then the curl f bar is defined as curl f bar equal to del cross f bar equal to determinant of I bar, j bar, k bar, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, f1, f2, f3. So it will write as I bar into, so dou by dou y of f3 minus dou by dou z of f2. So here write plus minus plus, right? So minus j bar into, so dou by dou x f3 minus dou f1 by dou z plus k bar into dou f2 by dou x minus dou f1 by dou y. So similarly in matrices, how we will find the determinant? Like that only we will find the curl. So irrotational is the application of curl. So if curl f bar equal to 0 or del cross f bar equal to 0, that vector is said to be irrotational. So if any vector is irrotational, then there exists a scalar point function phi such that f bar equal to del phi, means f bar equal to grad phi. So such a scalar point function is called as the scalar potential. It only possible when the given vector is irrotational. If the vector is not irrotational, there didn't exist any scalar potential. Okay. So if you see the examples, we will understand. Okay. The first example is if f bar equal to x square minus y square plus 2xz I bar plus xz minus xy plus yz z bar z square plus x square into k bar, then find del cross f bar, means they are given. You have to find the curl f bar. So in the divergent, similarly we have to take in I bar coefficient as f1, j bar coefficient as f2, k bar coefficient as f3. So here f1 equal to x square minus y square plus 2xz, f2 equal to xz minus xy plus yz, f3 equal to z square plus x square. So this is given, right? So what is the formula of curl f bar or del cross f bar? Det of I bar, j bar, k bar, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, f1, f2, f3, right? So we will substitute f1, f2, f3 in the formula. We will get det I bar, j bar, k bar, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. First term is f1 is what? X square minus y square plus 2xz, xz minus xy plus yz. So f3 is z square plus x square. So we will find the determinant, right? So first I bar, here plus minus plus. So I bar into dou by dou x of. So how we will find the determinant? We are finding I bar, right? So this row and this column will eliminate. So we will done the cross product. So dou by dou y into z square plus x square minus dou by dou z into xz minus xy plus yz. So here minus j bar into first row second column will be eliminate, right? So dou by dou x into z square plus x square minus dou by dou z into x square minus y square plus 2xz. So for k bar plus k bar into, so the first row third column will be eliminate, right? So dou by dou x xz minus xy plus yz minus dou by dou y into x square minus y square plus 2xz. So I bar into with respect to y you are differentiating. So z and x are constant here, z square x square. So 0 minus with respect to z you are differentiating. So x, here y is there. So x and y are constant, 0 plus y minus j bar with respect to x you are differentiating, z square is constant, so 0, x square derivative is 2x minus with respect to z you are differentiating, so x square y squares are constant, constant derivatives are 0 plus 2x, sorry minus is there, right? So minus 2x plus k bar into with respect to x you are differentiating, so y and z are constant. So x z minus y, here yz is there, y is constant, z is constant, constant derivative is 0. So minus with respect to y you are differentiating, so x square is constant, xz is constant, these constant derivatives are 0. So minus y square derivative is 2y. So we will get x plus y into I bar, 2x is plus 2x minus 2x will be cancelled. So 0 z bar. So here z minus y minus 2y. So z minus 3y into k bar. This is the curl. If in the question they given the point, we have to substitute the point in the curl. In this problem they didn't give the point, right? So need not to substitute the point. In this first you find the f1, f2, f3 using the given vector, and next we will substitute the f1, f2, f3 in the curl f bar formula. Next we will differentiate. So we will get the final value of the curl. Okay. Here in next problem or next example they given, show that the vector 6y plus z cube I bar plus 3x square minus z z bar plus 3x z square minus y k bar is irrotational. What is irrotational definition? Curl f bar equal to 0. That means our cross product value have to become 0. So we will find that will become 0 or not. So first we will find the f1, f2, f3 using the vector. So f1 is I bar coefficient. So 6xy plus z cube. f2 is 3x square minus z. f3 is 3x z square minus y. This is given, right? So what is the formula of curl f bar? So determinant of or det of I bar, z bar, k bar, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, f1, f2, f3. What is f1, f2, f3? The given the problem I bar coefficient, z bar coefficient, k bar coefficient, right? So we will substitute in the curl f bar. So 6xy plus z cube, 3x square minus z, 3xz square minus y. So plus minus plus. So del cross f bar or curl f bar equal to I bar into first row first column will be eliminate, right? So dou by dou y of 3x z square minus y minus dou by dou z of 3x square minus z. So similarly for z bar, first row second column will be eliminate. So dou by dou x of 3x z square minus y minus dou by dou z of 6xy plus z cube. So plus k bar into first row last column will be eliminate, right? So dou by dou x of 3x square minus z minus dou by dou y of 6xy plus z cube. So we will differentiate with respect to y, x, z. So I bar with respect to y you are differentiating, that. So x, z 3 are constant derivative is 0 and minus y derivative is 1. So here minus 3x square is constant derivative is 0. Here minus z derivative is minus 1, already minus is there. So minus into minus plus. So plus 1 plus j bar into. So x with respect to x we are differentiating. So we will get 3z square. 3 is constant, z square is constant, x derivative is 1. So with respect to x we are differentiating, y is constant derivative is 0. So minus, here with respect to z we are differentiating 6xy, 3 values are constant, so constant derivative is 0, z cube derivative is 3z square. So plus k bar, 3x square derivative is 6x, z derivative is 0 minus 6xy derivative with respect to y is 6x, z cube derivative is 0. So minus 1 plus 1, 3z square minus 3z square, 6x minus x. All will be cancelled out and we will get 0 I bar plus 0 j bar plus 0 k bar. We can write as 0 bar. So del cross f bar means curl f bar equal to 0. So it means the given vector is irrotational. In next sum, you have to find two things. First, we have to find the given vector is irrotational or not. If it is irrotational, we have to find the scalar potential. Okay. So here, this is the function, right? Using the vector, we will write as f1 equal to 2xyz. So f2 equal to 4y plus zx. f3 equal to 6z minus xy. So using the curl f bar formula, what is formula? I bar, j bar, k bar, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, f1, f2, f3, right? In the place of f1, f2, f3, I am substituting the given values. So 2x plus yz, 4y plus zx, 6z minus xy, because in the previous two sums we are already written the formula. That's why I am directly substituting the f1, f2, f3 values. So I will get I bar into, so plus minus plus. So first column and first row will be eliminate. So dou by dou y of 6z minus xy, dou by dou z of 4y plus zx. So minus j bar. So first row, second column will be eliminate. So dou by dou x of 6z minus xy minus dou by dou z of 2x plus yz. So similarly plus k bar into, so first row, third column will be eliminate. So dou by dou x 4y plus zx minus dou by dou z, so dou by dou y 2x plus yz. So we will get, so here I bar into, with respect to y I am differentiating. So z is constant. So constant derivative is 0 minus x with respect to y differentiating. So minus x minus With respect to z, I am differentiating 4y is constant, so constant derivative is 0, so minus x minus j bar. With respect to minus y plus k bar z minus z. So I will get minus 2x I bar plus 2y z bar minus into minus y minus 2y minus into minus plus 2y z bar plus 0 k bar. So del cross f bar is not equal to 0. It means it is not a irrotational. So the vector is not a irrotational. We need not to find the scalar potential. If del cross f bar equal to 0, so we have to find the scalar potential. Just briefly I am discussing. So what is the definition of scalar potential? If the vector f bar is the irrotational, then there exists a scalar point function and f bar equal to del phi. This is right. So del phi is what? Gradient, right? So f bar is given vector. So we will equating the both f bar and gradient formula. Here I am writing like 4y plus z bar sum 6z minus xy k bar equal to, what is the gradient formula? I bar into dou phi by dou x plus j bar into dou phi by dou y plus k bar into dou phi by dou z, right? So we will equate the coefficients, means I bar coefficient dou phi by dou x equal to 2x plus yz, dou phi by dou y equal to 4y plus z, dou phi by dou z equal to 6z minus xy. So next we will integrate, we will get the 3 phi values. So next we will add all phi, we will get the scalar point from scalar potential. So in this problem we didn't get the irrotation, that's why I didn't explain. Okay. Today's section we have discussed about the curl, irrotational and scalar potential. In next session we will discuss about the Fourier integral. It comes under Fourier transforms. This is also under the numerical methods and integral transforms. Okay. Thank you.